In this video, we explain why Android internal memory gets full, what exactly is taking up the space, and how to free up internal storage using smart and effective methods, from manual cleanup to advanced tools. Part 1. Why is my internal storage always full on Android? Internal storage often fills up due to everyday use apps, photos, videos, system data like cache and updates, and third-party apps that continuously store cache files. Part 2. What fills up internal storage on Android? Android internal storage is mainly filled by apps and their data, including cache and APK files, media like photos, videos, and music, system files and updates, and downloaded documents or files. Part 3. How to clear internal storage on Android. Let's explore the most effective methods to clear internal storage on your Android device. Each method tackles a different aspect of your storage problem, helping you reclaim space safely and efficiently. 3.1. Delete useless apps and data. 1 out of 4 mobile apps is never used after the first time. You will have many apps stored in the internal storage that you don't use anymore. Go ahead and uninstall them to free up internal memory. Open Settings apps, see all apps, and uninstall any apps you haven't used recently. You can also visit Google Play My Apps Installed to find rarely used applications. 3.2. Clear app data and cache. Apps store cache and offline data on Android, which can be cleared to free up space, but doing so may cause some apps to stop working properly or remove offline content. To clean your app cache, head right over to Settings, navigate to Apps, and select the app you want. Now, select Storage and tap on Clear Cache to erase cache files. You can also clear app data from the same page if you wish to. 3.3. Move to SD card or cloud or computer. If you don't want to delete files but still need to free up internal storage, transferring data to external or cloud storage is a smart solution. Move files to SD card. Transfers files such as photos, videos, and documents from internal memory to an SD card if your device supports one, freeing up significant space. Step 1. Insert a properly formatted SD card into your Android phone. Step 2. Open the File Manager or My Files app. Step 3. Navigate to internal storage and select the files you want to move. Step 4. Tap Move, select SD card, choose the destination folder and confirm. Note: some phones allow setting the SD card as the default storage for photos or app data via Settings, Storage, SD card. Upload files to cloud storage. Stores your files in a cloud service so you can access them anytime while freeing up space on your device. Step 1. Install a cloud storage app like Google Drive, Google Photos, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Step 2. Sign in with your account. Step 3. Upload files manually or enable auto backup for photos or videos. Step 4. After confirming uploads are complete, delete the originals from your phone to save space. Transfer data to computer. Let you back up large files to a computer for safekeeping and clear them from your phone. Step 1. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. On your phone, set the USB mode to File Transfer MTP. Step 3. On the computer, open the phone's storage from File Explorer Windows or Finder Mac with Android File Transfer. Step 4. Drag and drop files from the internal storage to a folder on your computer. Step 5. Safely disconnect and delete the transferred files from your phone. 3.4. Use Android Eraser. A professional tool like Coolmuster Android Eraser can permanently wipe data from an Android phone, ensuring it cannot be recovered even with advanced recovery tools. Step 1. To get started, download, install, and launch Coolmuster Android Eraser on your computer. Next, connect your Android device using a USB cable. Step 2. Once the connection is established, click the Erase button to begin. Step 3. You'll be prompted to choose a security level low, medium, or high depending on how thoroughly you want to wipe the data. Step 4. After confirming your selection, the software will quickly scan your phone and begin permanently deleting the selected data, ensuring nothing can be recovered. 3.5. Factory Reset Phone. When all else fails, a factory reset provides a clean slate. A factory reset will completely wipe your phone, restoring it to its default state. So, please back up your Android phone before factory resetting your phone. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, System Reset, Factory Data Reset. Step 2. Confirm your choice and follow the prompts.